Kids Interactive Theater presents Kids Virtual Experiences. History, music, dance, humor. With shows ranging from ancient Egypt to women's rights. My shows are essentially one-act plays that weave historical events into fun, engaging stories. They're chock full of facts and information, and because they're virtual, I can add all kinds of images, music, graphics, and text to enhance learning even more. There are programs for younger students.
Repeat after me. We bounce very high.
We bounce very high.
We bounce very small.
We bounce very small.
We bounce very high.
We bounce very high.
Then we bounce not at all.
Then we bounce not at all.
And we get down as small as we can. Good, Cinderella. Teeny tiny. Sir, teeny tiny. 3. Good. And if you stay very small and very quiet, the giant will not see you. Cinderella, do you think they've got it?
I think so.
He could be tinier.
He could.
Oh, there he goes. Good. Very well. Pixies, you may all sit back right where you were.
And older students.
I left and I was going down the street, and suddenly, while I'm traveling, I'm hearing screaming and watching the horse-drawn fire trucks galloping by. I cannot imagine what is happening. So I go running and I turn the corner. No. Oh, my word, my building is on fire. Oh, no.
Plus, there's my signature period dance in every production where viewers are invited to join in. Then we're going to put toes in front like this. Toes, 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 toes. You try it. Good.
And all circle. Yeah. Reaching up for the stars, we reach. Good. Other way. Oh, courage. And down. Other way. One more time. Reach up. Oh, it's so good.
And the best part is, they're interactive. Anyone who wants to can play along from wherever they're watching.
This is our time to pick up our massive crab claws if you have one. If not, you can use your hands. The crabs will raise their crab claws in the air like this, and they begin to pinch. And I know not if you've ever been pinched by a crab, but trust me when I tell you, it hurts.
Prop lists are available so students can play along with the show. They're made from items found around the home. And to make it even more exciting for the students, I can put their teachers in the movie. I would send the teachers a brief action list and a little demonstration video they can use for guidance. They do those actions and capture them on their cell phones, text them to me, and I edit them right into the movie. Next, you simply cry out, "The British and the colonists!" And we all know who won that war. Was it the French and the Native Americans or the British and the colonists? Go ahead, shout it out.
The British and the colonists!
That's it! I heard it. Good job. The British.
Recording clips for Kids Interactive Theater is super easy and a lot of fun, and the kids love seeing their teachers up on the big screen.
And the great part about these being pre-recorded is you have access to them for as long as you need. So if your schedule changes, and goodness knows in this environment, things are changing all the time, you can watch it whenever it works for you. It's so flexible. And a great option would be, after they view the presentation, they do a live follow-up virtual Q&A meet with a character herself. I am not a character, I am the queen. And I recognize you now. Your father brought me these beads. I'm going to reward him handsomely. So in a live Q&A session, I talk to the students as though they're in my realm, in my world. And I had teachers after a Zoom meeting with 5th graders tell me the 5th graders asked them if I was a real Egyptian queen. It's all in their imagination. Let Kids Interactive Theater spark the imagination in your students today.